Hey everybody, Chris here. So why did Dogecoin go up 30% in this past week, and where is Dogecoin going from here? We're going to cover all that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 o'clock. That's 4 o'clock p.m. East Coast time. So make sure you're subscribed. You got all your notifications on, so you can always join in on the live streams. But for now, we are going to be looking at how Dogecoin performed this past week, what my price predictions were, and what are others as well as we go forward from here. So let's get into the news and the charts, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart here, and right now we're over 20.5 cents. That's right, 20.5 cents as predicted. That's right, during our live stream on Friday night, I predicted once we got over 20 cents, we would see Doge come up, come back and retest 20, and then move higher. And we did have that happen during the live stream, and then afterwards Dogecoin dipped a little bit below. In other words, you could have bought some 19-cent Dogecoin there overnight, but then Dogecoin did move up higher, up to about 21.6 before falling back, but we are at 20.5 and moving up as we speak. And Dogecoin in the coin market cap here at number 8, over $30 million or $30 billion market cap, and we are now back within $1 billion of XRP. That's right. And here's Dogecoin up over 30%, XRP up 7%, BNB 8, Solana 20, ETH 22, and Bitcoin 10. Now at 10% for Bitcoin, you would think on the week that's pretty good. But here is Dogecoin again, as I predicted, outperforming Bitcoin. So what does this mean? Dogecoin up by 30% in 7 days. What are the possible reasons? We had an epic election night, right? That was very exciting. And of course, Doge, right? The Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, being talked about all over the media now, even the All-In podcast, David Sachs says, Doge, right? Got to see what Doge does. Elon Musk and Doge going into the White House. There's a lot of good things to say about that, but there's other things as well. Dogecoin, the largest meme cryptocurrency by market cap, saw an incredibly successful week. The meme coin benefits from crypto recovery. Dogecoin became the best performer amid all large caps. Doge, the first mainstream meme coin and the largest asset of this type, registered 30% price increase the last 7 days and is the best performer of the week in the top 30. So what is going on today, November 9th? Doge reached 21.6 cents, the highest in more than 7 months. Well, we did touch up just a little bit higher the other day, but it was a quick blip up and back down as profit taking and shorting was happening. But the shorters continue to get wrecked. We see on the dips, and then the shorts kind of bring the price down, but then buying pulls it back up and more shorts get wrecked. That's what's been happening. We did see, well, there was an acquisition of Dogecoin Holdings by Spirit Blockchain. Dogecoin Holdings is a corporation tasked with the implementation of Web3 solutions based on the Dogecoin blockchain. We're going to see how that really plays out. I don't personally think this is as big of a deal as some others are making this out to be. Dogecoin is a fun currency, and trying to make Dogecoin something more than really what it is going to be a challenge. Dogecoin, by default, lacks smart contracts functionality or programmability. But that's okay. Dogecoin, it doesn't have to be everything. Yes, Dogecoin, unlike all the other meme tokens, does have its own blockchain, which means it is the OG meme coin and the only really meme coin, because all the others are tokens built on Ethereum or Solana or whatever. But that's okay. In the top 100 cryptocurrencies, the meme coin segment is sending mixed signals. Nero, the first ever meme token, it's not a coin, whose contract was created by AI, which is questionable, added over 65% in 1 week. Well, that's because they've got a Coinbase listing. There's a lot of hype around it, but be careful because we saw Popcat, right? We saw Popcat actually end this amazing week in the red. That's right. And that's what happens with a lot of these meme tokens is while everything else is going up, they can be crashing down as people are taking profits on those meme tokens. We also saw Tron and Caspa down as well. We talked about Caspa the other night on live stream as well. We sort of dug into what was going on with Caspa, and yeah, their chart doesn't look really good. But the optimism of Dogecoin community is even more catalyzed by bullish Doge charts being shared by macro economist Raoul Pal. Yes, what has Raoul Pal said? Well, he says Doge is on the verge of the banana zone. He's predicting banana zone for a lot of cryptocurrencies, but he's also talking about Doge as well. And here he says Dogecoin is within sniffing distance. The dog can smell the ripening fruit of the banana zone. Yes, and even Lark Davis, yeah, he is talking about the banana zone. I mean, this came directly from Raoul Pal, but others are now sort of buying into this whole idea of past big runs in cryptocurrencies, 2016 into 2017, 2020 into 2021, where we saw some epic price increases in alts. This is where we are right now. Where is this coming from here? Are you prepared for the coming banana zone for crypto? Kevin. My friend Kevin. Looking at the upcoming weekly Golden Cross. And we've talked about that on this channel. I think that's coming in a couple weeks. We just saw a daily Golden Cross, but this epic weekly Golden Cross hasn't happened since the end of 2020. That's right here. That's right here above me. And look what happened right after that. Huge run up in the price of Dogecoin. And we're getting very close right here. Yes, we're getting very close of hitting that next run up in Doge after this coming weekly cross. When that weekly cross happens, we could see a little cool off over 2 to 3 weeks and then start a parabolic ascension into December through April, making a cycle top maybe mid to late spring of 2025. That's only if we follow the last cycle. Obviously, it's all dubious. Someone asks Kevin, do you think Doge can reach 30 cents sometime in December? Kevin says, I think we can go farther than that. Again, that is the FOMO that can build into meteoric rise in the price. We may see a 16 to 17 cent reload area. Very possible, but not guaranteed. So here we are, people asking, if we see a dip in Doge, how low might it go for people to buy in at lower prices? And how high is the price going to go? We're going to cover all of that next week. We'll be looking into all of these possibilities, as well as looking at the 4-year cycles, looking at the fib lines, and where are the marks that we could see Dogecoin trading up to in this coming bull cycle. There are a lot of predictions out there, and I covered that in yesterday's video, right? The bold, right, price targets for Doge. If you want to see all of those, take a look there. Kevin's saying, look, there's a macro golden pocket up at $3.90. But if we measure instead, not from the 73-cent top that we had for Doge in 2021, but then like scale it back a little, like outside of all of that craziness that happened, maybe $1.80 might be a more reasonable price target. Even that could be a stretch, but definitely achievable depending on how high Bitcoin goes, how altcoins go, and of course the FOMO around Dogecoin. All of that coming as well. Also, follow me on X Twitter. I am at ChrisPax, and here I am talking about what? the Crispac's DCA crypto portfolio. It's back up over 150%. That's right, we have 150% profit in this portfolio. This was $10,000 that I put in the summer of 2023, was DCA buying every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday during live streams. Yes, about $100 or so. We were buying live, buying this portfolio here. And Doge, there's 75,000 Dogecoin in this portfolio at an average price of 6 cents. And I am giving that 75,000 Dogecoin away. If you want to know more about that, join in on the live stream. We talk about it in more detail, but also join the channel. That's right, become a member of the channel and you will be getting Dogecoin. That's right. So check that out. Right now, we're celebrating Dogecoin following this great week of trading, but Dogecoin is just getting started. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this week we've just had, as well as where Dogecoin is going from here? Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.